Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Dr. Lee. I come from Bukit Mertajam, the northern part of Peninsular Malaysia. And at this time now, I'm staying in Kluang Johor. Okay, so welcome everyone once again to my channel. We are now at lesson 34, the last video. So after this video, I'll be moving to lesson 35. So as you know, all these lesson things actually is a simple explanation. I'm actually uploading my book, level 2, which is written in 2 languages, Dwi Bahasa, as you can see here, for the explanation part. Upon request from my subscribers, from my buyers, I have written this book, published this book in 2 languages, 40 different chapters altogether, all grammar. And only the explanation part is in both languages, Bahasa Melayu and English. The rest, of course, the questions are in English. And I'm now in the middle, halfway through my book 3. And book 3 is written in English. Why? Because I'm sure that my buyers and those people who requested me to write in Bahasa Melayu, by now, I know they are following my videos because they have bought my books. I know that by now, they will be quite good in grammar because I explain and it's just a repetition. All the lessons in level 1 appear in level 2, appear in level 3. I have mentioned time and again. In grammar, in English, all these things you have to learn. Whether you are a primary school pupil or a secondary school student or an adult or a university student, you need to know. All these grammar are important agreement. And Miss R have had, do, does, did. Adjectives, adverbs, conjunctions. You have to learn whether you are a little primary school student right up to a working adult. You will be required to know all these parts of grammar. So actually every book has the same thing. All the different parts of grammar appear in every book. The only difference is people ask me, what is the difference between level 1 and level 2? Many people ask me. Well, I would only say this. The lessons are the same or the chapters are the same. Okay, as I mentioned just now, conjunctions, prepositions, adverbs, adjectives, all are the same. They are the same in every book. You will see all these collective nouns, agreement, forms of the verb. And then the tenses, simple past tense, simple present tense, present perfect tense and all that. Same. The only thing is, level 2 would be more challenging than level 1. Harder than level 1, more difficult than level 1. Level 3 will be more difficult than level 2. Level 4 will be more difficult than level 3. So it goes up, 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 up. And you know, if you have bought my book, you will know. Level 2, 40 lessons. 40 chapters. How many chapters do you have actually? I don't think there will be more than 50 chapters. And just level 2 itself, my book level 2 is already, you already have 40 lessons. It's almost complete. Almost complete. Alright? So if you have this book, please turn to page 93, 94. I'm going to start now. 93, 94. Question words. We are at question words. Exercise 4, 5 and 6 and we have completed the whole book, the whole chapter. Okay, these are called question words. All these words are called question words. Words that are used to ask questions. And we are now in lesson 34, second video, or I would say the last video. Okay, so exercise 4, let me read. How heavy is Michael? 70 kilograms. How heavy? If you want to know the weight, how heavy? If you want to know the height, how tall? How big? How small? See now, how. Question 2. Why? Why are the children sleeping so early? The answer is they are very tired. So the reason is they are very tired. Therefore, we have to ask why. Okay? Number 3. How does Amal go to work? By bus. So transport. By bus, by car, by train, transport we use how. Okay? Number 4. Why? Why didn't you go to work yesterday? Answer, I had a fever. I'm giving you a reason. Therefore, you have to ask me why. Alright? Number 5. How is Rita feeling now? How are you? How are you feeling? How is Rita feeling? Much better. So when you ask about the feelings of a person, or you are asking about the condition or situation of a person, you use how. Okay? And the next one is, how many pupils are there in this class? 40 pupils. We are asking about the number. So how many, how much? Okay? And number 8, here, how? How much is this pen? 4 ringgit and 50 cents. When you ask for the price, how much? Okay? And number 9, why was Rudy punished by his teacher? He did not do his homework. That is the reason. The reason is he did not do his homework. So when we ask the question, we ask why. Okay, why was he punished? Exercise 5 here. First one is who. Who is your favorite actress? The person that you like. Who? Okay. Number 2, how. How much did you pay for that pair of socks? Money, money. Okay, you ask how much. What is the price? Number 3, whose. Whose eraser is that on the table? You're asking about the eraser belonging to who, to which person, okay, or to whoever. And number 4, you can see this one, whom. So whom did you go to the whom did you give the novel to? Whom. So I have explained before and I will do it again. The difference between who and whom. Who is very wide. You can use for writing or speaking. But whom, we actually don't use whom when we speak because it's formal. So we use whom for formal writing. And one other feature is usually behind the word whom, we add a preposition by, for, from, to, with, about. So when you see this, let us say there is a question on who and whom. And then you see this feature, of course you choose who. But I can tell you, you can also use who. Therefore, I don't think you have questions whereby your answer is either who or whom. I don't think so. Okay, because both can be used. The only thing is whom is formal writing. When we speak, we use who. I don't think we use whom when we speak. Unless it is really very formal. Okay, in a formal surrounding, everyone is speaking formally, perhaps yes. Otherwise, we don't. Number 5, when? When is Christmas Eve? Asking for the time. So you use when. When actually represents time. And where is Zoo Negara located? When you want to know the location of a place, you ask where. Alright? And how many people attended the meeting? How many, how much? Okay, if you want to know the number. And what is your reason for coming late to work? If I ask you, why did you come late for work? Then it's the same as what is your reason for coming to work late, okay? Or coming late to work. Which pen do you want, the black or the blue one? So we ask which. For my book, until level 2, I will tell you that which we use for animals and things. When you go higher, then I tell you that which can be used for more than just people, more than just animals or things. But because it is level 2, and level 2 says that which is used for animals and things. So wait until a higher level, then we can discuss with you, we can share with you that which can be used for more than that. Okay? So for now, which is for people and animals. I'm sorry, things and animals. And the last one. Why is that woman shouting at us? Reason. So when you want to know the reason, you ask why. And the last exercise, exercise 6. First one, what? What do you like to do in your free time? Activity, playing computer games. Activity. Okay. Second one, how? How do the workers go to the factory by their factory bus? I mentioned just now, bus, train, car, transport. We use how. Okay. Number 3, when? When is your aunt coming to visit you? In November. The month is given. Okay, in whatever month, we ask when because it's asking the time. Number 4, which? Which hotel did you stay during your trip? Federal Hotel. So which hotel? Asking for the particular one. So it's Federal Hotel. Okay. I mentioned just now which for things, which for animals. Okay. Which is the best place to have a drink? Cool Cafe. Number 5. Or where? I'm sorry. Where is the best place to have a drink? I'm sorry. Where is the best place to have a drink? Asking for the location. So answer is where. Number 6. Who? Who sends you to school every morning? My mother. The person who sends you. So we have to ask who. Number 7. How? How much rice did you cook for lunch this afternoon? 2 cups. Okay? How much rice? But I tell you it's 2 cups because I don't know how you measure. You could have taken with one hand or you could have taken by cups. But your answer is 2 cups. Meaning to say the measurement. Okay? And unless I ask you how many cups, I'm saying here how much rice. Okay? So that's why I use much. Just in case you are thinking, how come it's not how many? And the last one, whose? Whose mother is a teacher in this school? Alina's mother. Okay, whose is belonging to. So let me give a simple summary. Okay, if you see WHO, of course there's an M behind, and this one, WHO is people. Okay, and then how you know already, how many, how much, how do you go somewhere, how do you feel, we use how. And then why, I'm sure you know, it is for the reason, where is for the location, when is for the place, and whose is belonging to whoever. Okay, so that's the end of my video, my lesson. So we will be doing lesson 35, the next video. This is the last video for question words. So as usual, if you want to buy my books, if you want to learn speaking, alright, so you just go to my TikTok or my Instagram and you can find me there. Okay, so remember to give me a like, share and subscribe. And until I meet you again in the next video, goodbye.